Have you ever pondered over the origins of the numerical control machines that have revolutionized the manufacturing industry? It's a fascinating tale, one that dates back to the mid-20th century, and it's a story that we're about to delve into. The concept of numerical control, often abbreviated as NC, began in the 1940s. The Second World War had created a dire need for complex and precise manufacturing, and the industry needed a hero. This hero came in the form of John T. Parsons, an American engineer who is often hailed as the father of the NC machine. Parsons, in collaboration with Frank L. Stulen, developed a method of producing helicopter rotor blades using a rudimentary form of NC. They created punched card technology to guide the movements of the tools, marking a significant leap in manufacturing technology. As we moved into the 1950s, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, or MIT, joined the party. With funding from the U.S. Air Force, they developed the first true numerically controlled machine. This machine used a series of numbers punched on a paper tape to control its operations, and it was a game changer. Stepping into the 1960s, the development of NC technology skyrocketed. The introduction of computers to the mix marked the transition from NC to CNC, or computer numerical control. This allowed for even greater precision and complexity in manufacturing tasks, opening up a world of possibilities. The 1970s saw the advent of the microprocessor, and with it came a new wave of advancements in NC technology. The microprocessor allowed for increased storage of instructions, leading to greater automation and efficiency in the manufacturing process. The 1980s and 1990s were marked by rapid technological progress. The rise of the personal computer and the internet, coupled with advances in software development, allowed for even more precise control over manufacturing processes. This period also saw the development of multi-axis machines capable of moving in more than 3 directions, providing unprecedented levels of flexibility and precision. Fast forward to the 21st century, and we find ourselves in an era of smart factories and Industry 4.0. Modern CNC machines are now capable of communicating with each other, sharing data, and making decisions autonomously. They have become integral components of complex manufacturing systems, driving efficiency and productivity to new heights. So, there you have it, a whirlwind tour through the history and evolution of numerical control machines. From their humble beginnings in the 1940s to the smart, connected devices we see today, these machines have truly revolutionized the manufacturing industry. They have made it possible to produce complex and precise components at an unprecedented scale, and it's safe to say that they will continue to play a crucial role in shaping our future. The evolution of NC machines is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of technological advancement.